Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful Excel tools out there. For those of you who've been watching my videos and been following my channel, I just want to give a big thank you. If you're new to this, I just kind of want to discuss a little bit about how a lot of the videos and a lot of the tools that I've built work. I've been building these tools, the Excel tools, for probably the last 14-15 years. And the purpose of these tools is to create something that is extremely easy to use, that is built in Excel, and usually serves some type of logistics purpose, some type of logistics, solves some type of logistics problem. Today's tool does exactly that. It is a very straightforward tool. It is a zip code matrix straight line calculator. So as the name suggests, what it does is it calculates a straight line, or as the crow flies, or the air miles, distance between US zip codes in a matrix format. It's extremely easy to use. As I mentioned, it is extremely very straightforward. The way that the tool works is once you download it, and again you have your download link into the description of this video. We paste a list of zip codes in the first column, the column A, and then also we will paste the rest of the zip codes into the first row, which will be row 1. And what the tool will do is it will calculate the straight line distance between the intersection between these tools. And it is as easy as clicking on the calculate button. And again, what the tool will do is it will find that, and I'm going to highlight it in here, but it will calculate the straight line distance between these two zip codes. Again, this tool only works for US zip codes, so please keep that in mind, and it will give you those results into that matrix format. It is really as simple as that. I really recommend to check a lot of my tools. I've got a few dozen tools there in my website that do different things. From a logistics perspective, is that I've been specializing in logistics tools for the last 14-15 years. Again, to download this tool, just click on the link in the description and you'll go from there. Really, there's nothing to install, just a matter of opening the file, which is an Excel file, pasting your data and clicking calculate, the calculate button, and the tool will do the rest. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, and feel free to reach out if you've got any questions, or if there is something that you need that you might not find on my website. My phone number and my email will be right in the description and also on the website. Thank you, and until next time.